Hey, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I got busy with a lot of things. It's actually you I had in mind that even made me to come live. It's so good to see you. Will live long, go. It's so good to see you. How are you today? Thank you so much for joining back. I've really missed you. Please remind me your name again. Remind me your name again. It's so good to see you. I missed all my friends here. Oh. I missed all my friends here. I've been so busy. I got engaged with a lot of things. I missed all my friends here. Oh, that's okay. What's that your name again? Please remind me. I'm sorry. I meet a lot of people here, so I've just been busy. Not that I forgot you. I didn't forget you. Michelle, that's Michelle, my Michelle. Thank you for reminding me, my Michelle. Michelle, hey, yeah, your family had some problems. I'm so sorry to hear that. I hope it's been rectified. I hope it's been rectified. So sorry to hear this. Michelle, how are you doing? It's been a while, oh. I've really missed you, Michelle. Oh my God. All my friends here. I've not had dinner. It's not yet night. It's not yet night. It's around I think around 4 or so. Yeah. Okay, it's past 5. Good evening. Good evening, Michelle. How are you doing now? Good evening, my good friends. Honestly, I miss you too. Michelle, I hope the problem in your family has been rectified. I'm sorry to hear this. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. I miss you all. Been a while. Oh, no, no, no. It's not. Yeah, it's around past 5. Been a while, my friends. A long, long time. So good to have you all here. I've missed you all. Oh. How are you doing? Michelle, how did your day go? I hope you've had dinner. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. How are you all doing? My good friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good. My friends, how are you all doing now? Oh, that's okay. Your battery, okay, your battery is low, Michelle. Michelle, give us a thumbs up, please, before you leave, okay? Hi, Gloria. Hi, Gloria. So good to see you all. Otto, how are you all doing today? I hope you've had a good day and I hope you stayed out of trouble. That's good. Gloria, how are you doing? How did your day go? You got into trouble. What trouble was that? Who got you into trouble? Gloria, who is that person that is getting you into trouble? On the bus? Oh, so sorry. I hope they didn't injure you. I hope they didn't injure you or hurt you in any way. Yes, I am. I'm a lawyer practicing in Nigeria. Been practicing for over 10 years now. If you look through my channel, you see amazing content on legal principles and advice that will help us to be law abiding. No, 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 I'm not wearing any today. I'm not wearing any weave today, Michelle. My hair is not so good today. That's why I'm wearing the hood. I specialize in corporate and commercial law, family law. I specialize in property law, civil litigation, yes, family law, yes, I do. Civil litigation and I think that's just about it. Ah, yes, Michelle, that's true. Gloria, have you subscribed to my channel? Please subscribe, that will encourage me. Subscribe and give us a thumbs up. I just did a new video. I have a new video showing on my channel right now. I have a new video showing on my channel on how to stay safe on the social media space. Yes, the laws that protect us from defamation and cyberbullying on the social media space. You could go see that video. It's a new video. I talked about two celebrities in Nigeria. That are actually at loggerhead at the moment, and one is suing the other for slander and cyberbullying because it had affected her negatively and her family as well. I should give you an example of what? Gloria? Yes, so slander. Slander is an example of defamation, the one that is a crime that has to do with word of mouth spoken. Oh, you say it's very expensive and time wasting. That it's expensive for both parties, but I don't think it's time wasting. No, defamation is the generic name, then is divided into slander and libel. Slander is the one that is spoken. That's usually what happens on the social media space. Then libel is the written form of defamation. we don't call it social media law. We call it Cyber Crimes Act. In Nigeria here, we call it Cyber Crimes Act. Robbie, hello, how are you? How are you doing? I hope you've had a good day. I don't know what time it is where you are and where you're joining us from. I'd like to know. I'd like to know. No, it's not cyber crimes. Cyber crimes is not just an aspect. It's fighting scammers is also covered by the cyber crimes. Slander and defamation is also covered by the cyber crimes. Cyber bullying on this internet, on the cyberspace is also covered by the cyber crimes. Yes, bullying, coming out to like insult people, threaten them, that's cyber bullying. That's also welcome, Michelle. But Gloria, you've not subscribed though. You've not subscribed. You don't know that when you subscribe, it will encourage me to keep talking and keep staying here. Probably share this link. Gloria, don't want to encourage me. It's not good though. Hello, my G. How are you doing, Haki? Shout out to you. And what country are you joining us from? Okay, I'll be the first lawyer streaming now. What country are you joining us from, Gloria? I'll be the first lawyer that you see streaming. Oh. There's always a first person. Oh wow, Japan. This is my first time of having somebody stream from Japan. Nice. How is Japan today? Hello, Ray and Honey. How are you doing? My day was good. How about yours? Oh, Philippines. Gloria, I have lots of friends from Philippines. Shout out to all of them. How is Philippines? Oh, Rayan from UK. UK has almost similar time with us. But I don't know your weather now because sometimes people are 1 hour ahead of us. Gloria, how is Philippines? Are you a lawyer too, Gloria, in Philippines? Are you a lawyer? You seem to know a lot of legal principles. You can check out my video, my latest video, Gloria. My newest video on my channel, and give us a thumbs up there. Thank you so much. You're saying something about the channel. What are you saying about the channel? Rayan, kindly subscribe to my channel. Kindly subscribe and give us a thumbs up here. Okay. Okay. Oh, you're a lawyer too. So good to see you. Do you also talk about legal principles on your channel? I'll subscribe. Oh. Okay, you want to go back to sleep? That's fine, Gloria. Thank you so much for joining us. You specialize in corruption. Wow. That's nice. And in police. Oh, criminal. Okay, I don't do criminal. I don't do criminal. I don't know. I don't like it. It's so messy in Nigeria. It can be so messy. Oh. In Nigeria, I don't like it. Oh, bless you. So good to see you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you, Rayan, for subscribing. I love you. Love you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. and keep you safe too. Bless you, Gloria. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Thank you. Have a beautiful night rest, and God bless and prosper the works of your hands, and continue to give you rich clients to keep you safe from criminals too. Nice. Thank you so much. It's so good to see my colleague here. Oh, okay, you're retired. Oh, that's good. You can also use your channel, to share not the knowledge you have, so that other people can actually benefit from your wealth of knowledge. I'm glad. Thank you. So, Rayan, how are you doing? Michelle, are you still there? Michelle, are you still with us? We want to talk about being safe on the cyberspace, but I have to see enough people to be able to pass across this message. So, who are those interested? We want to talk about the laws that protect us on the cyberspace, social media, most especially social media space. So, who are those that are interested in these gists? I'll give us a brief facts of a case that is on. Oh, Bridget, wow, nice to meet you. Welcome. How are you doing today? How are you doing today? How are you doing today? Nice. How did your day go? How did your day go? Oh, nice. Amazing. Amazing. Is this your first time of joining us, Bridget? Is this your first time of joining my life, or even seeing my channel? Oh, nice. Pleased to meet you. Thank you so much for dropping by. I'm a legal practitioner that practices in Nigeria. I've been licensed to practice for over 10 years now. My name is Nisi Noma Obuna, and I'm actually the face behind Law Prevails and Associates. My channel talks about laws that guide our conduct and help us to be law abiding. We kind of expose people to the different legal principles and laws, statutes that will guide their conduct, and make them aware so that they will not fall a victim. And then we talk about the word of God as an aspect of law that we should also abide by to be better citizens of heaven. And from Nigeria, Def Knox, thank you so much for joining us. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel or you've not given us a thumbs up, this is a beautiful opportunity for you to do so. We would appreciate that. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and help us grow so that we'll be able to reach as much people with legal knowledge. Let people be aware of their rights so that they won't be trampled on. And you know what they say. Thank you so much, Bridget. Love you so much. You know what they say, ignorance of the law is not an excuse. So the fact that you didn't know that, if you break this particular law, you'll be indicted, does not absolve you from liability or from criminal responsibility. Yeah. Yeah, so today, well, I just have one person here. So let me see more people so that we'll talk about the topic for today. When I see more people, when I see more people. Hello, 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 hello. So where is everyone now? Where is everyone? Where is everyone? Hey, David. David, how are you doing? Welcome to my live stream. How are you doing today? Hope you had a good day. Hope you had a good day or you're having a good day. Where is everyone? Where is everyone? Hello, hello. Hey, Catherine. Present, 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 present. Catherine, how are you doing today? How is your day going? I hope you had a good day and you stayed out of trouble. Nice one. So have you subscribed to this channel? Kindly click the subscribe button if you have not. And give us a thumbs up. I made a new video, very interesting, how to stay safe on the internet or on the cyberspace. I talked about 2 celebrities in Nigeria. Thank you. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. If possible, watch that video. When you watch that video, you would see that there are laws that protect the use of the internet or the use of the cyberspace. Catherine, what country are you joining us from? My good friends, what's happening now? Your response today is not encouraging me. Kalu, this one you're asking me about my deodorant. Can you perceive me from there? Hmm? Kalu, can you perceive me from there? So you're asking about my deodorant. Kalu. Kalu, just click the subscribe button first. Subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up. Catherine, you've not subscribed though. Guys, people are not encouraging me today. I'm not seeing anybody to talk to. Why is that so? Why am I not seeing anybody to talk to? Oh my God. Yeah. Guys, is it that some of us are sleeping or what exactly is the problem? Is it that some of us are sleeping or what? Where is everyone? Where is everyone? I call you forth, all my friends. I call you forth. I call forth all my friends to this live stream. I call you forth, all my friends. Come forth, oh friends. Come forth, oh friends. Kalu, where are you joining us from? Guys, why are we quiet? Don't we use social media? And have you been sued for slander before or cyberbullying? Have you been sued for any of those? If you have, then you need the laws. Ronaldo, are you the one that plays ball? Are you the footballer, Ronaldo? What country are you joining us from? Are you the footballer? Let me know so that you send me some dollars. Ronaldo, what country are you joining us from? We are talking about cyber crimes today and safety on the internet space. What country are you joining us from? You don't know the country you're joining us from? Wow, that's interesting. So are you a footballer? Oh, you have sons. That's interesting. So what country now? What country are you joining us from? Have you subscribed to my channel, Ronaldo? Have you subscribed to this channel? Are you a subscriber of this channel? Oh, Ronaldo, you play football. That means you're the Ronaldo that are you one of the players for Arsenal? Are you one of the players for Arsenal? It will be an honor to have a footballer subscribe to my channel. Oh. Please subscribe, eh? Kindly subscribe. Kindly subscribe. And like.
So maybe she knows what's up. Okay. Your dad. Your dad was just. I have kids, and you write these lies and you say these things. I have teenagers who are in school, who are being bullied in school because of the things that you write. You have parents telling their kids not to let my kids touch their school bag because you guys, because I'm a witch. What's wrong with you people? You just sit down and you can't wait to believe the worst of the worst. And as long as you bring somebody else down, you guys are up for it. I understand very well.
So guys, I want to show you my latest video so that we can all watch it together. What do you think? I want to show you my latest video so that we can all watch it together. But while we are at it, please kindly subscribe to this channel and give us a thumbs up, because there's so much to learn on my channel. If you go through my videos, even my live streams, you see that there's so much to learn. Zazy, how are you doing? So I'll be turning the phone now to my latest video so that we can all watch together and learn together how to stay safe on the internet space, what you can say and what you should say that will prevent you from criminal liability, and what you shouldn't say, you know. You would also listen to my advice at the end on how you should verify every information. We have a pending case at hand of two celebrities in Nigeria that are at loggerheads as a result of cyberbullying and defamation, which is what I discussed in this video, which you need to see. So I'm going to turn the camera to the video. Hello, Zazy, how are you doing? How is your day going? Zazy, please subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you so much. Amelia, hello, how are you doing? I hope your day went well. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. So I'm going to turn the camera now to my video so that you can watch it and learn one or two things. Then you can now ask your questions. I'll turn it back to me so that you can ask your questions. If there are any questions that you have from the video, I'm open to answer all of them. I hope this helps. Thank you so much. Please stay tuned. I'm sure we can see it. Sure you can see the video. Cyberbullying and how much it had affected her family.
For now, but every other person who has alleged must prove.
So that was a video by the popular Nollywood actress Mrs. Johnson Okoje regarding incidents of defamation, cyberbullying, and how much it had affected her family, her personal life, and even the lives and the relationships of her children back at school. And someone immediately came out with the wrong narrative that defamation is just a civil offense, and that if she is aggrieved or anybody is aggrieved or defamed, that that person should go to court and not use arrests or the criminal prosecution officers. And I decided to address that issue by discussing the criminal implications of defamation, and to actually point out that defamation is not just a civil offense. Yes, it is a civil offense, but it is also now a criminal offense. And we're also going to discuss cyberbullying and the attitude of Nigerians, especially when they are in when they are using social media or in the social media space. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed, and give us a thumbs up. And please don't go away. We'll come back shortly. Defamation as a criminal offense means making a false statement about someone that harms their reputation. Now, defamation could be written, it could be spoken. When it is written, it is called libel. It could be published either on social media or articles or anything in print form. And it could be spoken, that's word of mouth, either before a group of people or on social media, which is usually the case, and which is actually the case in this instance. Now, sometime last year, a popular Nollywood actress, Angela Kore, came out to say some things against um, Mercy Johnson, alleging that she was a witch and she was evil and she has destroyed a lot of people, and everything she said were bad. And I wouldn't say they are false because I don't know. I've not verified their authenticity. That's not why we are here. And then um, she made that through her different social media accounts. And after some time, she came back and apologized, and it looked like everything had died down. We didn't know that the other party, Mrs. Johnson, was going to take legal action against her. And then this year, the rumors were everywhere that she was arrested and taken to the police station and further arraigned in court, and granted bail and all that and all that and all that. Now someone now came out
Hello,
to say,
Zazie.
why would
Please,
someone
let's
arrest
watch
the
and
other
learn.
because of
Let's
defamation?
watch and learn. Then I
Because
will turn the camera back to me to answer
defamation is
questions.
just a civil offense. Now, apart from the fact that Mercy Johnson also complained about cyberbullying. Now, apart from the fact that the charges against Angela Okori was not only defamation, it also included cyberbullying, which is provided under, which is a crime under the Cyber Crimes Act 2015. The Criminal Code provides for the crime of defamation in section 373 and 375 of the Criminal Code. Now, the 373 of the Criminal Code defines what amounts to defamation, which is what I would say now, and the 375 now provides for the punishment that is attributed to that crime of defamation. Now, what amounts to defamation? One is when a person makes a false statement against another person. When a person makes a false statement against another person, and when that person at the time he was making the false statement knew that the statement he was making were actually false, that amounts to defamation. Also, when that statement is published, that means the person did not make the statement inside his or her bedroom whispering and nobody heard. That statement must have been published to the extent that more than one person heard it. And finally, if as a result of that published false statement, the other party suffered some form of harm to their reputation, maybe they lost their goodwill, maybe they lost a deal, just like what Mercy Johnson said in her video, that her children are now being bullied, nobody wants to associate with them. That is harm to someone's reputation. Now, when this happens, it means that a crime of defamation, if someone is found guilty of all these things, it means that a crime of defamation has been committed. The Criminal Code applies to southern Nigeria, and of course, which is also applicable in this instance case. It applies to southern Nigeria alone, which makes this crime of defamation applicable to the southern part of Nigeria. But that does not mean that those in the north can continue to defame each other. Now, following this incident, it means that if the statement that was published was true at the time it was being published, then the person who published that statement will be discharged and acquitted, because truth is a defense in any case of defamation. Truth, whether civil defamation or criminal defamation. Once in civil defamation, it is called justification. In criminal defamation, it is truth. once the person can prove that, see, when I was saying this thing, this person was like this, or this person was doing this thing, then that means that that person is not guilty of defamation. Now, the punishment by virtue of section 373, or sorry, 375 of the criminal code is either 1 or 2 years imprisonment with an option of fine, depending. But the punishment for cyberbullying, which is contained in section 24 of the Cyber Crimes Act 2015, is not less than 10 years imprisonment. That is if one is found guilty of cyberbullying. The party who is prosecuting must be able to prove to the court beyond reasonable doubt that the defendant is either guilty of defamation or cyberbullying, or both. And the defendant must be able to also prove beyond reasonable doubt to the court that at the time the statement that is alleged to be false was made, that it was true. Now let's narrow it down to the instant case between Angela Wonsu and Mercy Johnson Okoje. If Angela Wonsu is able to prove that at the time she made those statements against Mercy Johnson that it was true, if she's able to prove the authenticity of those statements, then she would not be found liable. And if Mercy Johnson is able to prove to the court as well, beyond reasonable doubt, that Angela Wonsu's statements were false, that they did not apply to her, then Angela would face the wrath of the law. And she should also prove the extent to which she was cyberbullied and the extent to which she lost her reputation as a result of the alleged defamation. Mercy Johnson is able to prove that, will be indicted accordingly. Now, this brings me down to my advice to every Nigerian. Look, the fact that you have a beautiful camera and probably you have a beautiful ring light and you can talk does not mean that on the social media space you are free to say anything. There are laws that guide our conduct in Nigeria that you don't know that they exist until you are faced with a criminal charge and you are meant to now defend yourself. Then you would now know that your freedom of speech actually ends where another person's right begins. You know, some people are claiming that these laws are preventing people from freely speaking. You are free to speak. You have the right to freedom of speech. But everybody's right ends where the next person's rights begin. You are free to speak, but you're not free to destroy or taint another person's image. And I also see and hear of this false narrative that once you put allegedly, the word allegedly, you would not be criminally liable. Please, I don't know who started that false narrative, but I want to kindly state here that now that is totally wrong. Whether you add allegedly or not, if you are not able to prove that that statement you made on the social media space or that statement you published was right at the time you made it, get ready to spend 1 or 2 days, 1 or 2 years in the prison, and possibly 10 years if you're found guilty of cyberbullying in the prison. Let's just be very careful out there and make sure we verify every statement and every comment that we are about to make before we make them. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much for having me. Enjoy the rest of it.
Guys, thank you so much, Amarachi. Thank you so much. I'm grateful. So guys, that's the information for you, and I hope you learned something from it. So are there questions? Zezi, did you watch Amelia? Did you watch? I hope you watched. What are your questions? I'm here to take all of them now. What are those questions? So what are those questions, please? What are those questions? I'm very well today. Sonkan, how are you doing? Where are you joining us from? Where are you joining us from, Sonkan? Oh, nice. Nice. How is Oyo State, and how are my friends there? How are my friends in Oyo State? You heard of the case of Mercy Johnson and Angelo Corey on defamation and cyberbullying. Although it's like the Angela has now apologized and Mercy Johnson has dropped the case. Angela has apologized and Mercy Johnson, but that incident has thrown light on how we use the social media space, that it's not just by saying allegedly. When you're lying, you say allegedly and think that the law will exonerate you. So that's the video I just played for everyone to watch, and I'm just taking questions. We talk about different principles of laws here and how they can help us to be law abiding in our various countries. Hi Alvin, how are you doing? Thank you so much for joining. Someone can please, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to this channel. Everyone who has not subscribed here, please kindly subscribe and give us a thumbs up. I appreciate each and every one of you. God bless you. So Sonka, if you have any question you can ask me. I'm just here to take questions. If you have any question, you can ask me on cyber crimes and defamation. That's defamation as a criminal offense. So I'm here to take questions. How many people have questions? Guys, today people are not responding like you used to. What's happening? Hmm? What's happening? Why are we not responding like we used to? Hello, Alex. How are you doing? Hello, Warren. How are you doing, Grandpa? I hope you had a good day or you're having a good day. Where are you joining us from? Thank you so much. Alex, please subscribe to this channel and give us a thumbs up. I just played a video on defamation and cyberbullying, and what I'm doing now is taking questions. So if you have any question on this, I would appreciate it to answer. Kindly subscribe to this channel. It will encourage us to keep going, and give us a thumbs up. Share our link. That's how you support. Share our link. Hello, guys. How is everyone? Where is everyone now? Why are we not talking? Hello, Michelle. Michelle, how are you doing? Oh, nice, Michelle. Where are you joining us from? Oh, okay, Alex, you're joining from England. Liverpool. I'm good, Michelle. How did your day go? Okay, you're from Croatia. Is it morning now or night or evening? I don't know. How did your day go? I just showed us a video um on defamation and cyberbullying, and I asked if anyone has a question. That's why I'm even here, to take questions. Otherwise, you ask me your own questions. All right, Michelle, have you subscribed to my channel? Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Alex, please, I urge you to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. I'm from Nigeria. Nigeria. Have you heard of Nigeria? Oh, okay, Michelle. Thank you so much. Please give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much, Michelle. One love from here. Oh, nice. You've heard of Nigeria, right? I see. So have you been to Nigeria? Hey, George. How are you doing today? How is your day going? So will you like to visit Nigeria? I don't know why my lips are peeling. That's why I keep using lip gloss. My lips are peeling. Would you like to visit Nigeria? Let me come and take you to Nigeria. Michelle. My lip gloss is finished too. You should give me another one. My lips are peeling. I need another lip gloss. The one that works with my body pH to turn pink when I apply it. Guys, so no one has a question. Please subscribe to my channel then and give us a thumbs up. Grave Saint, how are you doing? How is your day going? I hope you're having a good day, Grave Saint. I'm very well as well. Thank you so much. Grave Saint, please, if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. So do you have any question for me? Do you have any question? Hello, George. I'm here. You're the one going off and on, but I'm here. What's CGA? George, what's CGA? Explain to me. Let me know what you're saying. Oh, good. What is CGA? George, what's CGA? Grace Saint, you are yet to subscribe to my channel. Oh, George, you've not subscribed. Please subscribe. Pietman Godson, how are you doing? Pietman, shout out to you. What country is this? I don't know this country. Oh. Vietnam, have you subscribed? Please subscribe, eh? God bless you. So where has everyone run to now? Where are you people running to? Hello, handsome. How are you doing? Thank you for joining us, please. I'm not offended though. Your preference is your preference. Please, by all means, prefer and go for what you want. Don't get me involved in your present preference. I did not come here to talk about your preference. Pietman, please, kindly subscribe to my channel before you go to bed. You're feeling sleepy, I understand, but subscribe before you go. Thank you so much. Of course, it's your preference, and I understand that you have a preference, but that's not why I created this channel. So go ahead with your preference, eh? Africa, whatever. Go ahead with your preference. I'm not interfering with your preference, so it's not my business. Guys, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Please, thank you so much. Giggle Sniper, how are you doing? Hope you're doing good and your day is going on well. I hope you didn't get into trouble today. So please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Africa will never, okay, Africa will never unite. I hope you're not having a bad day. Mm? Don't worry, when you subscribe to my channel, your day will be good, eh? Hopefully you meet the kind of ladies that you like. I'm not come here to advertise myself now. Oh, okay, prenup laws. In Nigeria, there is no specific law that covers prenups, but the laws of contract actually govern prenups in Nigeria. The laws of simple contract governs prenups in Nigeria. So, but you would not find it in our Matrimonial Causes Act or any specific laws. But when parties agree, as it is in prenups, and present it to the court, the laws of simple contracts governs it. Do you understand? Pork. I hope I answered that your question. Where are you joining us from? Charlie Keck, how are you doing? What country are you joining us from? Pork, please kindly subscribe to my channel and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining us. Africa will never unite. Are you an antichrist? Are you against Africa? This one you're saying Africa will never unite. Giggle Sniper, please do us the honors of subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. Thank you. Pork, are you satisfied with the answer to your question, or are you trying to have a prenup with your fiancé? Are you trying to have a prenup? It's a very good decision so that parties, the interest of parties are properly represented. So if in the prenups, provisions for the children upon divorce is clearly stated, or maybe based on certain grounds, then when parties divorce, that prenup will be presented to the court and the court will just adopt whatever is written there. Do you understand? But usually when there are no prenups and in divorce cases, the best interest of the child is actually what determines who the child will be with, who gets custody of the child or the children of the marriage. So when the court looks at any of the parties and see that the interest of the child will be protected if the child is with one, either the father or the mother, the court will grant custody to that particular parent and give maybe visiting rights to the other. You understand? So it's not strict, even though most times custody of children are actually given to their mothers. But if that father can prove that if the child stays with the mother, the child's interest will not be properly represented, then the court will grant custody to the father. That's what I mean. All the court looks at is the best interest of the child when custody matters. Do you understand? So have I answered your question on prenup? Yes, a foreigner can acquire land for lease in Nigeria. Yes, what binds lease agreement is the agreement of the parties as contained in the lease, in the document for lease. So a foreigner can acquire land for lease in Nigeria. Yes, provided you follow the due steps for